noticed, but there's a common theme in our society these days, and it's called text neck.
Yes. So an interesting statistic that we came across recently is in the past year, we have gone on average from spending 0.3 hours looking at our cell phone to 2.8, almost
a day.
Hours.
A day. And that's huge because that can affect is when we're like this, it affects our lung capacity, it can increase headaches, it can change your mood, increase your blood pressure. There's so many things that are affected when we don't have proper posture.
Exactly. So on average, our head weighs between 10 and 12 pounds. Mm-hmm. Normally, it's supposed to sit right over our shoulders. As soon as we go into that angle, that 60-degree angle looking down at your phone, it changes the physics to the point where our head now weighs 60 pounds. And that's all being put on your spinal cord and your nervous system.
Which can also cause a lot of pain.
Yeah.
We see probably more upper back and neck pain than anything these days. So we want to show you 3 exercises that you can do at home that can help reverse and prevent this from happening. Now these exercises can be done daily, but the other thing you can do daily is get off of your phones. Go back to that 0.3 hours as opposed to the 2.8.
Exactly.
So the first exercise I'm going to show you, you can do standing or you can do on all fours. So let's show standing first. So, excellent, Dr. Bree. So if your head is forward, if it's pushed forward, I want you to bring your chin back. So you're going to be making this double chin. And I want you to do it in the mirror and avoid doing this or going like this. So we want to go straight back. Excellent. You can also do that on all fours. It makes it a little bit more difficult, but if you're more advanced in this and you've tried this and it's easy for you, 3 sets of 10, then get on all fours and start doing it. With that extra gravity, you'll notice the difference. The other exercise is going to be floor angels. So just like snow angels when you were a kid, you're going to lay on your back, and there's a couple things to take note of. So you're going to put your arms in at 90 degrees and bring your arms up, sliding them on the floor above your head. Oh, did you see this? This came up off the floor. So you're going to go back down to where your arms and hands are flat on the floor. You're going to hold it there and then try to go up a little bit more. Excellent. It's kind of tough. So again, I want you to do 3 sets of 10 of this also. And then the third one is I'm going to have you flip over onto your stomach. Think Superman for this one. You're going to make your hands into fists. You're going to put them at 3 o'clock and 6 o'clock with thumbs face up, thumbs up to the ceiling, and you're going to squeeze in your shoulder blades and lift your arms straight back. Good, and back down. Good. Try to keep those arms straight. Good, and one more time. Good, and back down. And you can put a towel or something under the forehead if that's more comfortable. But again, I want you to practice this 3 sets of 10. That really activates all of those muscles that is going to keep your head and shoulders back. How does that feel, Dr. Bree?
It feels great. It feels like I need to do this more.
There you go. Those are your daily exercises. So the chin tucks, the Blackburn T, and the floor angels. I hope that's helpful. If you have any questions, please ask.